Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how you can use arithmetic in everyday situations. And we're going to have a look at how you can carefully round. The first thing that we're going to have a look at is an example. So we have 23 people are waiting for a lift. Only 7 people fit in the lift. How many times does the lift need to go up to get everyone to the correct floor? What we need to do is we're going to divide 23 by 7 because we have 23 people and they're waiting for a lift where only 7 people fit in. So 23 divided by 7 is 3.2857 times. However, the lift needs to go up 4 times to get everyone to the correct floor because we cannot just split a person in half so that they can already join. So that means that 3.2857 in this case is not rounded to 3 but to 4 because it really needs to go 4 times up to get everyone to the correct floor. Alright, so what about this example? Combreux College has 1,301 students. The whole school will go on a school trip by bus. One bus can seat 30 students. How many buses does the school need to hire? So again, we have 1,301 students. We're going to divide this by 30 because one bus can seat 30 students. That means that we need 43.37 buses. But there is nothing like 0.37 bus. So we need to have a look at 44 buses for the school trip. Please always answer in a sentence and show me your calculations. If you have any questions, then please let me know.